Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. Previously we've talked about some basic AI tools that we can use as an entrepreneur and as a small business owner in order to make your day-to-day activities much easier. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a particular AI tools that you can use to create or generate amazing AI videos. It can be for your business, it can be for marketing purpose, it can be for your social media, YouTube, TikTok. If you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, you can also use these particular tools to create your faceless video on your YouTube channel. My name is Daniel once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Crown Tech. If this is your first time coming across my video, or this is your first time coming across my channel, I would like you to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon in order to get notified anytime I post relevant and valuable video like this. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into business. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you and I'm going to be putting you through how you can use this amazing AI tool that I'll be showing you today, and I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video, so do well to watch to the end of this video, and I'll be dropping the link of this particular website or particular AI tool in the description of this video. So do well to watch the video to the end in order to get the full information, in order not to miss out of any information. Without wasting much of our time, let's go. Now the AI tool we are going to be using in this particular video today is what we call InVideo. So if you go to your browser, I'm going to be dropping the full link in the description of this video. Like I said, go to your browser and type invideo.io. It's going to take you to this particular area I have here, or this particular interface I'm having here. So it says bring your ideas to life, unlock your creativities, and turn any idea into a full-length video. Let your imagination take center stage. Now the good thing about this is that you can just tell it what you want, probably a topic you think of, a title you think of, it's just probably a sentence, and you can generate a script from ChatGPT. I've told you how, and in my coming videos I'm going to be showing you how to generate a video script from ChatGPT and use it in InVideo to generate an amazing AI videos. So but today I'm going to be showing you how the amazing part of InVideo, and also how you can make use of InVideo. So the first thing you need to do is come to this interface, come to this website invideo.io. If you have not signed up, you need to sign up, and you can sign up using your Google account. And if you have signed up, you log in like we have to do now. So I'll click on login. In order to log into my account, it's going to direct me to another link. So that is why I said you need to pay close attention and you have to follow through to the end in order to get the full details and the full information I'm going to be sharing in this video. So I'm going to be dropping the link. I've already signed in, and it has logged me into my account. I'm using a free account, so if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. The plans are there. This is my profile, this is my membership, this is the usage. I can come here, and if you come here, we have histories and a lot of things are here. So now, but that's not where we are going today. This is where we are going today, and I want you to pay full attention. There are a lot of things you can do here, and there are a lot of ways you can do it. Now the first things you can do here, you can create a UGC ad video. So what is UGC ad video? Let's check on Google. UGC ad video. So I just want to explain what it is. A UGC video is video content created by real people, not brand, sharing their honest experience with a product or services. So you can create a video using a product, what experience you get from that product. Let's say for example, you can create a video trying to promote a popular drink, let's say Fearless or Pepsi, and telling people your experience when you drank the Fearless. So it actually boosts your energy. So that's an example of a UGC video ads. So you can create a short video, probably a 1 minute 30-second video. You can put it on your TikTok account, you can put it on your YouTube short. Now you can create explainer video. This video that actually make use of all these cartoon in order to explain one or two things. So we are going to go there. I'll show you. Now another thing you can do is use your script. Now you can get script from ChatGPT. Like I said, you can tell ChatGPT to generate a video script for this particular topic. So this is what you need to do. So in order not to waste our time on another video, is not something hard, just go to chatgpt.com. So we are trying to generate script. You see here, I want you to act as a video editor and generate new video script of let's say 3 minutes for this title. So we are going to put the title how to make money with Bitcoin. So let's say this. So we have given ChatGPT a prompt to work with. So let's say you don't want to crack your brain, you just want something soft. So you can click on use my script. So when you click on use your script, it's going to tell you create a video for YouTube, is it TikTok or Instagram, using this exact script. So you are going to paste the script there. So that's not where we are going. So and this workflow, if you come to workflow, it is going to explain everything. Now this is the UGC ad short video, explainer video, like I said, to explain things. And you can have, what's it called, using your script. Let's go back to the workflow. I want to walk us through this amazing, what's it called, we also have Faceless short video, script to video, and all this, everything in one application. We have educational video, we have blog to video, we have link to video, we have a lot of things there. So you can just choose. You can choose to convert your blog post to a video. You can choose to convert a link. So just paste the link here and it's going to generate it. So let's come back to ChatGPT. He said here is a 3-minute video script for the title how to make money with Bitcoin. So then if you try to scroll down, it's intro, it will give you intro. So we have intro. So these are all the scripts. It has written the script. So what we just do is copy the script, click copy here. So after you have copied, come back to your in video. Now let's use my script. This also news video. You can create a news video for your news channel. We have animated video. There are a lot of things you can do with this in video. So let's, for the purpose of this for the purpose of this tutorial today, let's use my script. So we want to create a YouTube video, then paste your script here, like the one you copy from ChatGPT. So this one is not needed. Then what else? We are going to you can select this. So sorry, we have to come again. Let me paste it. So let's proceed. So this is what we have. So click on generate my video. So it's very simple. So this way, the same way I showed you how to use your script, how to generate script from ChatGPT, you can also use the different option you have there. UGC, we have faceless video, we have news video, we have link to video, we have blog to video. So go to your blog, or you can see a particular blog you want to convert to video, just go and copy it and convert it to video. So it's very simple. So but for the sake of this video, I'm using ChatGPT, and in video I use ChatGPT to generate my script, and I copied and pasted the script on my in video dashboard in order to generate me a 3-minute video about how to make money with Bitcoin. So let's wait for it to generate, and once we are done, we are going to upload it. So that's how to generate and make money with AI video. AI generated video. So you make use of AI tools to generate AI generated video, and you can post it on your social medias like YouTube, TikTok, get it monetized, and you get paid for the views of those videos. So for now, we are waiting for it to finish compiling our video, so we can finalize it. So you can see, so after it has compiled everything, now it's for confirmation sake, what are your audience? Crypto beginners or investor? You can choose investors, you can choose crypto beginner. They are okay. Background upbeat, inspirational. Let me choose inspirational. Platform YouTube short. Let's take YouTube. Then if you are done, if you are okay with this, you can click on continue. So it will direct us to this place in order to continue the compilation. So once it is done, you are counting to 100. It said analyzing video is ready. We are on analyzing it. We are planning the music and a lot of things, but just wait. You are going to hold on for it to reach 100%. So before you continue, so we are still waiting for it. So while waiting, if this is your first time watching my video and coming to my YouTube channel, I hope you find value from all my videos. You can go to my YouTube channel, click on the videos, and walk around my channel to see if you find value through my videos. So if you find value, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon in order to get notified anytime I'm posting a valuable and relevant videos like this. And if you find value from this video, kindly drop it in the comment section that you got value from this video. Drop it in the comment section and let me know you got value from this video. So we are still proceeding, and we are waiting for it to generate the script to generate our video. We are still at 17%, so we are still going to hold on for it to complete everything. So now we can see that our video has been generated as successful. Now one major problem we'll be having here is the what's it called, is the watermark. So if you are using the free version, this watermark and this in video / your username will be there. So if you like to continue, you can continue. You can use video editing app like CapCut to just edit it. You can place a sticker here to cover it. You can also place a sticker here to cover it. Whichever way is okay. And if you don't want to do that, and you don't want the watermark to still be there, you just click on remove watermark and you are good to go. Now let's see. We can play it and listen.
Want to know how people are actually making money with Bitcoin in 2025?
Can you see it's an amazing video, and it creates so many videos
in just 3 minutes I'm going to show you
so all you need
5
to do
legit
is
ways
click
to make
on.
money with Bitcoin.
If you still want to edit the video, you can just tell it a command and it will use that command to edit that video. But now we are not putting any command, we just want to edit. So if you are fine with this video, you just go ahead and click on edit, download video. So if you don't want if you don't want watermark, that means you are going to upgrade. And if you this one in video AI branding you don't want, then you are going to upgrade. But you want watermark, stock watermark, and in video AI branding normal. So then is it 720 or this, anyone you want? So let me go with 720. So I'll click on continue. So it will download my video to my device, either my laptop or my phone. And the best thing about this is that you can use your phone to actually generate these videos. You can use your iPhone, you can use your Android, and you can also use your laptop to generate these amazing AI videos. You can see it is a faceless video. I did not show my face, I did not do anything. All I need to explain 5 ways to make money with Bitcoin in 2025 is to tell ChatGPT to generate a video script for me. I took that script, take it to invideo.io, put it, I select use my script, and I put the script there, and it generated a 2-minute video for me. Now I can upload this 2-minute video to my YouTube channel. I can upload it to my YouTube short, I can upload it to my TikTok account, and it will generate a lot of views. And generating a lot of views, you actually know that I'm making a lot of money. So that's how to make money using AI generated videos. So if you get value from this video I've just shared, from this piece of information I just share, tap the like button, share this video to your friend, and also drop a comment in the comment section letting me know that you actually got value from this video. And finally, you should click on the subscribe button in order to subscribe. Give us a subscription in order to encourage us to always do something like this for the community. Click on the bell icon in order to get notified anytime I post relevant video like this. In the next video I'm going to be showing you other available AI tools and what they can actually do for you. Thank you once again. My name is Daniel. So let's wait for it before we cut off this video. It has already downloaded, so we can play it from here. Let's see.
Hey there. Want to know how people are actually making money with Bitcoin
So
in
you can see
2025?
this is something AI is doing for us.
Well,
Most
stick
of
around
us cannot
because in just
actually
3
do
minutes
this
I'm going to
ourselves.
show you
I
5
see
legit
it
ways to make
edited
money
the
with
video,
Bitcoin,
put a
even
lot
if
of
you're a
things
complete
into it,
beginner.
and this
First up
video
is
can
the
actually
classic method,
convince
buy and
people
hold,
to
aka
start
hodling.
crypto. So
You
this is
buy
okay.
Bitcoin when the price is low and just
So
wait.
because of our
Over
time, let
time,
me pause the
Bitcoin
video
is show
and we'll continue from here next time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Daniel.